Let me ask you something. What would your life look like if fear and doubt weren't holding you back? What if the only thing standing in your way wasn't real but just a story you have been telling yourself? Because that's exactly what fear and doubts are, stories. Stories we create, stories we accept, and stories we live by. But here is the truth, they are not the end of your story. They are just chapters, and today I want to help you write the next one. Let's talk about breaking the limits of fear and doubt and how you can take back control of your life. Fear whispers, you are not ready. Doubt shouts, you will fail, and we believe them. Why? Because they sound like they are protecting us. But what they are really doing is keeping us small, keeping us stuck, and keeping us from the life we are capable of living. You see, fear actually doesn't stop bad things from happening. It just stops you from living fully. Doubt doesn't predict failure, it prevents success, and the only way to break free is to face them head on. I know it's not easy. That pit in your stomach, the voice in your head saying, what if? It's uncomfortable. But let me tell you something, growth only happens in the uncomfortable. Think about it. Every time you have done something amazing, every time you have achieved something you are proud of, it started with fear. It started with doubt, but you pushed through anyway, didn't you? You made that move, took that risk, and fear. It didn't disappear, but you became stronger than it, and that's the key. Breaking limits isn't about waiting until you are no longer afraid. It's about taking actions while you are afraid. It's about proving to yourself over and over again that fear doesn't get to decide your future. You do. Here is how you start breaking those limits today. Call it out. Acknowledge your fear. Write it down. Speak it loud and stop letting it hide in your shadow. Fear thrives in silence. Take one step. You don't have to conquer the mountain today. Just take one step towards it. Send that message. Make that decision. Show up. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a proof that you are stronger than your doubts. And most importantly, remember this, fear isn't your enemy, it's your guide. It's point to the thing that matter most, the dreams worth chasing, and the risk worth taking. I know it's hard. I have been there, but I also know that on the other side of fear and doubt is everything you have been waiting for. And you don't have to take the leap alone. I am here cheering you on every step of the way. So today I challenge you. Take one fear and face it. Just one. Prove to yourself that you are bigger than your doubts, stronger than your fears, and capable of anything you set your mind to. And when you do, I want to hear about it. Drop a comment below and tell me what fear you are breaking today. Let's inspire each other to keep pushing forward. You are not your fear, you are not your doubt, and you are limitless. And I can't wait to see what happens when you finally decide to believe them. If this message spoke to you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep breaking limits together. You have got this. I believe in you. Thank you.